let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated.
What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American.
All right, folks. Today, we've got a classic case of a so-called sovereign citizen in court refusing to pay his rent. This guy's trying to use the usual legal loopholes they love to throw around, but let's be real, he can barely even get through. His own argument. You already know this is going to be entertaining. Seriously, how do you show up to court, refuse to pay, and then act like the law doesn't apply to you? Does he really think the judge is just going to shrug and say, "Oh, you're a sovereign citizen? My mistake. You're free to go?" Yeah, that's not how the legal system works. Stick around till the end, because this judge isn't about to let him off easy. Let's dive in and watch how this all plays out.
Hello, this is Mr. Raleigh. I'm here on the matter. I couldn't
see
hear.
All right, Mr. Riley, thank you for, that was gonna be my suggestion, to log out and log back in, but you did use the chat.
I am here on that matter, my honor. I am, for the record, on the record, and let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am a national, I am a Moorish American, and I have standing ancestral Moroccan Empire, the adjoining islands by inheritance, but not by purchase, Moorish pedigree. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated. I am, all rights preserved and retained without prejudice or recourse. Certificate registration number AA 77869, March 25th, 1848 AD, corresponding to the Moorish calendar 1368. Copyright owner C.M. Bays. Clock of Destiny, March 25th, 48 AD, MC 1368. Certificate registration number AA 209316, March 31st, 1952, AD, MC 1327. Masonry plus art, astrology, history, and geography. Clock of Destiny 2, reused edition of the previous book of Clock of Destiny, Title 22, Chapter 2, Council Courts General Information, and certificate registration number AA 222141, September 8th, 1952, AD, MC 1372, Clock of Destiny, Moorish American, all Moroccan nationality card or identification with Zodiac Constitution, and certificate AA 222141 is the focus of the determination for the without a doubt affirming relationship of the relation.
Wow, I have to give this guy some credit. I didn't think he'd actually make it through that whole thing. Reading seems to be a real challenge for most sovereign citizens, but honestly, this might be one of the most competent ones I've ever seen. And trust me, I've seen plenty. That being said, what on earth is he even talking about? Affirming. Relation with the relationship. What does that even mean? Did he write this himself? Or did he just copy some nonsense from Reddit or YouTube? Because there is no way he came up with this on his own. It's just a mess. Random legal jargon, stuttering, and a whole lot of nothing. Listening to it is actually painful. It's like his last two brain cells are struggling to work together just to get through his own script. But what do you guys think? Is he just pretending to be clueless? Or is this really the best he can do? Let's get back into it and see how this plays out.
Relationship property venue as law between the Moorish Franks and all foreign Christian nations. Title 8, United States Code 1324, federally protected Moors.
What did they say about the Christian nations? What you just said about, this only apply to the Christian nations?
It says other foreign Christian nations.
Other foreign Christian nation. What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American. I'm more into being related to Moorish American ideology.
I was just trying to figure out, I was just listening. I was listening in. All right. Okay. Well, I have you checked in, Mr. Riley.
Okay.
And Ms. Haddad, are you requesting legal counsel?
No.
I don't know if it's just me, but this sovereign citizen seems like the kind of guy who would fart and then take a deep sniff because he actually enjoys it. You just know. He was the kid in school who found a piece of gum under the desk, shrugged, and popped it in his mouth like it was a free snack. And now, here he is in court, refusing to pay rent and putting on the performance of a lifetime like he's some kind of legal mastermind. What really makes this gold is the judge, just casually sitting there, licking his fingers, waiting for the perfect moment to tear this guy's nonsense apart. It's like watching a cat play with a mouse before going in for the kill. All right, let's jump back in and watch this guy get absolutely demolished.
Yes, Judge.
Calling case number 233455509. This is Harriet Tubman Apartments versus Brian Riley and all occupants.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Rania Haddad, P84927, on behalf of the plaintiff.
And Mr. Riley, can you please just state your name? Let's see, I'm gonna prompt you to.
A minute. Okay. For the record, my name is Brian D. Raleigh. Hello?
All right. Yes, yes, sir. Thank you. All right, were parties able to work out some type of resolution?
Yes, Your Honor. The parties have agreed to enter into a conditional dismissal with box 4B checked. Mr. Raley's balance due and owing is $2,088.46. He will pay he's going to pay $742 on the 5th of every month, beginning on 5/5/2023. That $742 includes his $542 of monthly rent per month, and then an additional $200 towards the balance. So he will pay on the 5th of every month, starting on May 5th, 2023, $742 until the balance reaches zero. And then after the balance is zero, he will resume his regular monthly rent.
And the regular monthly rent is $542, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
So $200 extra. Is it 2088.44?
It is 2088.46.
0.46. All right. And is 4B checked?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Riley, do you understand the terms of this agreement?
Yes, I do.
All right. If you make those payments, your matter will be dismissed. In the event You don't, a judgment and a writ of eviction can be filed at the same time. We wouldn't have to come back to court. So, good luck. Wish you well. Have a great day.
There is no way this sovereign citizen is paying that much money each month. If he refuses to hand over $500 for rent, what makes the court think he's suddenly going to cough up $700? The guy's already behind. How is he supposed to pay even more when he can't even grasp basic court procedures? What's even weirder is how he just accepted the verdict at the end. Most of these guys start yelling, arguing, or throwing a tantrum when things don't go their way. But this dude just sat there like nothing happened. Maybe he burned through all his brain power trying to read that script and didn't have the energy left to fight back. It's honestly hilarious how these people think they can outsmart the system by regurgitating random legal jargon they found online. But in the end, the court always knows how to handle them. And this guy just found that out the hard way. What did you guys think of this case? I thought it was pretty strange how he just accepted it at the end. Let me know your thoughts. And I'll try to track down a follow-up, though something tells me he definitely didn't pay. Stay tuned for that. As always, I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Thanks. Again, and take care.